As the harvest begins out at BRANDT Research Farm in Pleasant Plains, the experts are noticing that best management practices are really paying off in this year's trials.
We're seeing some characteristics of what we've seen in the past, that the banded nitrogen, strip till, those kinds of things are paying off very well. Conventional till continues to be the leader in the yields because it was a black soil this spring, allowed the corn plants to emerge and get a good start before the weather came in and started heating us up, got too hot and too dry.
Many local growers may be wondering how the corn's moisture is stacking up and what are the yields looking like in the early data.
We're seeing the moistures about that 20 to 25%, which is a really good moisture to start at. We wouldn't want to take all the crop out at that point. The harvest is going very well. Yields are actually a little more than we would have expected. They're coming in a 200 to 250 bushel range, and we really feel good about that. What we're starting to also see is a huge response, a predicted response to fungicide that was applied just at tassel about the 1st July for these trials, and we're seeing that 25-30 bushel response, which is really very economical for the grower to make some good money by that application.
Some growers might be blaming some of the green they are still seeing in their fields on the fungicide application, but Corrigan says that's simply not true.
The greenness is really falling back into the early growth stages of that crop and how fast it's matured, and that is really what's keeping a lot of these corn plants greener, along with we've had just a tremendous amount of good nutrition.
For more information on these planting trials, visit BRANDT.co.